Okay, this is what you need for the light in the deep sea lab. Really easy and inexpensive to make. So you need one of these glasses for each student or pair of students they can share. Maybe not with COVID, but in other years they could share. I actually have one per student. So I have groups of 4, and in my group of 4 I have a pack that has 4 of these glasses. And how they're made is on Amazon there's a link for this blue cellophane material. It's kind of like blue overhead. You can also, if you have a theater teacher and they have any extra of this, you can buy that or see if they can give you it's for lighting. You need 4 strips of this, so to simulate going deeper in the ocean. So what they're going to do is they're going to look through the glasses with different layers of blue to simulate depth in the ocean. This has to do with primary productivity. It fits really well with 1.8 in the CED. In each group also, I provide them with 2 of these black felt. Now, if you have black tables in your lab, you don't necessarily need the black felt, but it's cheap, you can have it. And then you need these little pieces of felt in the other colors. And the first thing they're going to do with their glasses is they're going to look at the different colors under blue light. And so I have one for pairs of students. So in my pack of for 4 groups, I have 2 of these that are the same. Then they're going to look at some pictures. So I don't print out, pictures of deep sea creatures. I don't print them out. I have them open up Google Classroom and they can see the color pictures of those deep sea critters, and most of them are red, and that they end up being invisible as you go deeper. So each of these layers, you go deeper in the ocean. And so we related, I reworked some of the questions. So this lab is from the Monterey Bay Aquarium, and I reworked some of the questions to make them a little more applicable for our CED. So you can see those as well. And then you also have a link to all the pictures of the deep sea critters. So this is a great lab. Virtual learning, you could send these home with students. So if you are allowed to give them a pack to take home to do labs, you could give them these to take home. You can come back and sterilize them so it is possible. These are cheap and easy items. I don't know if it would be easy for students to obtain these on their own because it would be hard for them to find this. But it is something you could possibly send home with students. All right, so that's the light in the deep sea lab.